In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show your blocked emails in Gmail. If you've ever blocked senders and later wondered who's on that list, Gmail makes it easy to check. Blocked senders don't disappear. Their messages are simply kept out of your inbox, so knowing where to view that list can help you stay in control of what you see. Start by opening Gmail in a web browser on your computer. This process is designed for the desktop interface, which gives you access to the full settings menu. Once Gmail is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon for settings. Click that gear to open the Quick Settings panel. This panel shows a few common options, but to reach the full menu we need, click the link that says See All Settings near the top of that panel. You'll land on the main settings page, which is organized into tabs across the top. Browse along that row and select the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. Give the page a second to load. In this section, Gmail lists any filters you've created, and just below that, you'll find the list of senders you've blocked on this account. That's the list you're looking for. Each entry represents an email address that you chose to block, which means future messages from that address will be routed away from your inbox. If your window is narrow and you don't immediately see all the tabs, widen the browser or scroll horizontally so the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab is visible. If you don't see any entries under the blocked section, that simply means you haven't blocked anyone yet on this account. If the list is long, you can use your browser's Find feature to look for a specific address on the page. Take a moment to review the list so you understand which senders are being filtered out of your inbox. This is helpful if you're troubleshooting why a message didn't show up where you expected. Remember, you're just viewing the list here. You don't need to change anything to see it. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, click the gear icon, go to See All Settings, choose Filters and Blocked Addresses, and your blocked senders are right there.